redeem. One story, yes. One story get redeemed. Yeah, come in the boy never did none at all. Me and the boy never did none at all. Me never did chat. Me never did. But that one story me use get rid of him. But anyway, since as how una run up and down like Matlock, let us put it this way. Cause like you run out Zuma, I'm gonna tell you how me see it, look upon it as how me see it. You see when that man come and say, I got you, you have proven him I got my back a blood clot. Because when they say I've got you, I will do a love series and this and that, you never want me from day one. And that in a phone head. So him never got me from day one. Him just a chat. Him just a chat. He never got me from day one. If you can scrutinize out and pencil it out, I remember Yanni, my friend. I'm must that him tell us him no want me and that the world think. I'm gonna tell about this. I'm gonna tell about me Zuma, me a Gemini. I can give you 5 seconds worth of love. I love for 3 minutes and the next 2 minutes me eat it like poison. Me that. Everything what we do in my life is a test. I test you. I test relationship and I test friendship. I test you. So me say the things I'm and test you. Me call you and test you. Me text you and test you. I pay test me, I test you. Me I test your loyalty. Me I text your respect. Me I test every blood clot thing me I test. So I don't know what you feel like say. Me and Akeem are 2 peas in a pot. Him figure out me and me figure him out long time. And that you know Zuma. Him figure out me and me figure out him just the same. So the two know one another. Like 2 peas in a pot. Him see right through me and me see right through him. So me don't know where I get bad, but I don't know where I get fall in love with. Me never fall in love yet. Me never fall in love yet. Me only like a person to an extension. That's what I do. Me never fall in love yet. Cause love hurt. And when you see me I cry, me will always cry. Me is an overthinker. Yeah, me love it to extend. Me love it to extend. Me like it to extend. Me is an overthinker. Me can't call you now. I'm here grind now. And 20 minutes later, you say one thing, I do one thing. I'm going to tell you, fuck you, come out of my space. I saw me stay. So I don't know one blood clot that I about mad over. Over what? Over what? Exactly. Over what? Eh? You know somebody? Me's a Gemini. Everything me test. Relationship, loyalty, everything. I mean, me and that boy never in a fuck story, so it was just my friend. He was just a friend of mine. Well, you know, me and my friend are running a summer treat friend too. Come here, ride die for friendship just the same. If you do with me and them ride die with you. If me and a friend, me ride die with you. But just to show how Uno corrupt him from around me, and me was the only good person around him. I don't know Uno like Akeem, you know. You know, I don't know Uno like blood clot Akeem. How what Uno search for in a years, him get it in a one go. No Uno like him. Uno dying for me bring him down. So Uno can help bring him down too for the clout. Uno wanna help bring him down, I wanna pick our struggles. Anyway the crowd shift on the pick it. Cause Uno a cloud tracer. Uno like Akeem, but you gonna like him? Kill him dead, Uno like him, you know? Him a walk a seek validation and acceptance. Uno not like him. Uno a cloud tracer. I mean the only smarty and Dimer in a film corner right now when him good. The whole on up on TikTok cloud tracer. Anyway the cloud lead on the follow couldn't have the name. And Uno bad mind him. Because where Uno try to build for years, him get it in a one go. And him nah see that. And it's a sad case. You're not seeing it. And I'm very sorry for him. Because him not seeing it. It's a sad case. Him nah see it. Where you get it now? Where you get it now? No more people that pay for years. I want a platform, I can't find it. One too good gift and can't get it. One crowd over them live and can't see it. I get it in a one go. One go, you get it? Eh? Me can't friend no Zoom on a cloud tracer. Eh? Me can't friend no. Wanna come on TikTok as daylight. I read the FYP urology. As when they don't talk the crowd leave, you know. How when they done back. Everybody run gone. Me and Dime are the only blood clot person who like them two brothers up on the app. And when I talk about them, we talk about real life friendship. Me and her alone. No one else not like them a blood clot. We not die for class them and bring them down for the help join on the train. If bring them down too. We not time for see it happen. You can't trick me. You can't trick me. You can't trick Akeem. Akeem I walk. I look somebody if I like him. You know, go get that. You can't trick me. The whole I want a cloud tracer. And when you're chasing cloud, you will do every anything. So the focus shift and them I bring him down. Uno go help them bring him down too. And when Uno and him got party last night, go drink from the same bottle. I have learned my lessons here very well. Uno can't trick this. Uno can't trick him. No, you don't like him. No, you think that Jordan like. You think that Jordan like to see. You think that Jordan where you walk a big ads like to see you up there on the ranking. Eh? You think that? Blood clot. Even like them two crosses up there. Them like to see it? One fool me. One fool make many. Sorry for no. Zuma waterers. Look how long Zuma there on the internet. From cause days. And Zuma there on the internet how long. And Zuma have never given the internet a wow moment. Jaden the Paya with Fabi and all of them, them have never given the internet a wow moment. A lot of them, with the Paya long enough, never have given the internet a wow moment, and you took 2 months and did it. You think them are gonna like you for that? Some of them are iron balloon Paya, all them one bus, them can't bus. Look on all Italian. Can't boss, can't move. And you did it in a one go. So you think the whole of them will come around you are gonna like you? You know, Mr. Last time I go over him live, in my invite TJ Tug Life to him party. I hear TJ now. Thanks for the invitation with a laughing emoji. I mean, I say, look on all him and TJ writer. So, no, you can't, but that's the truth. 95% of the truth, not like, 95% of the truth, not like, the percent not like it, you know. And that's the truth. I say, look on this boy, you invite TJ to him party. And you accept the invitation with a laugh. You see why you see why I'm accept the invitation with a laugh. Cause me now go on and mock you. Them not like you. Cause when them struggle for years spanning it, you get it in a 2 months. And the whole of them see it, and the whole of them can check, especially the rankers. They can check what you have made. Pint and pencil it out. So don't think them like you. Huh? Don't think them like you. Not think them like you. Look, some of them, some of them got some people that say, boy. Some people that say, boy, I feel him luck. Hold on. Me soon come in a one short ceremony. Me soon come, babes. Some of them gonna say, boy, look how far man me there and as you come in, as you start live 7 o'clock. Bop! You reach up there. I look how long me there for morning. The things that look on all label. The things I rank I did like here, bro. I'm always up there. Them not like you. And them say when I plan for bring you down. You have to know real people have them in your corner. You not walk and mix and mingle and look acceptance. And that's a problem. And when people talk, you vex. But me not really respond. And me and Dime are the only one in the corner. Them Dime. For me utter 2 words out of my mouth about Akeem for them start to bring you down. Kind of feel like say them not gonna bring you down. Them are gonna bring you down. I remember you can't take picture. So I don't know what you feel like say. When the people in my talk about you, size them up. Cause I don't know what the fuck Zuma know about me and you. Friendship come talk about oh me I'm mad over you. Like say me did I look you. Zuma say yeah. What the fuck you know about me and Akeem? Did I look him? When Akeem meet me, I live with a man. Me use him, get rid of that man. And that me do. Me never put that one in a no uncompromising post spot yet. When me I'm care. I never fling myself upon him yet. Size up and don't fuck with my blood clot him because me have fix the crown upon my head. Don't pass a place. Me's a loving person. And it goes for friendship everywhere and a man alone. Me always love una like people because una bad man, jealousy and envious enough. Remember all part of you show me and then the bus fire. So man, when you see me in a real life, I chat to me, I still chat to you. Whole part of you do it. You come and you show me and then the bus. And when you see me, oh I want Rosalie, I'm still chat to you. Come on, no, but you get too bright now. You pinch me. Me not look man, look a boy. Don't pass your place. But oh, she want the man so you know something about me? Una don't even like him. Una don't even like him. Cause we una struggle for in a years him getting a one cup on ya. I look how long una don't can't bust. Cause una iron balloon. Look how long someone can't bust. Una there all long. And it's just the motherfucking truth. No phone there for years. And can't bust. No care the gimmicks no come with. No care the store no try to sell it can't sell. And him get it in a one go. I mean, I'm the only person diamond that them can't account like them. Cause them I bring them on a man in cell black 811. The whole on a jump on the cloud train. On a cloud tracer. That's what uno are. Uno genuine in a nothing. Nothing at all. You understand what I say? Nothing at all no genuine in a nothing. Nothing at all no genuine now. So if him can't say genuine people in him corner, me not write it out for him see it, me not spell it out for him see it, and me not tell him make him see it. Me I leave uno. Me I leave uno to him. For uno done, uno rip him up and shred him apart. Make him sit TikTok and not even want enter the chat. Cause me know that uno do. Cause I regular, I wanna do regular. Uno gifted feet. Yeah, them gifted feet. Them gifted for it. Never know. Them gifted feet over here. Bad. I like tell lie on people. Zuma, I know you're not gone. I check if she gone. Well, let me get the message. I don't in a Manhattan house in a town. Manhattan house in a town there so. My granny used to sell panty and brazier upon the sidewalk. I don't them grow in a box of me a 7 months old. Me's a Kingstonian. You can't sell me no craft. Me know craft. When it has tell me no can, me no lie story, me no truth. Lego that. Me no man. Me know when a man want a woman. Me know when a man don't want a woman. Me know when them want friendship. Me know every tricks and trade and matches box in business. I'm a wise woman. You only vulgar and loud. But I'm wise and smart. So if a boy no want me pick up that from the Asian day. You never go tell Jay phrase. But why the interviews about me? Don't have no name for yourself. When someone upon TikTok will find a name for yourself. But you don't have a name. You can't use. Because when I went on the interview with Jay Phrase and they asked me about Annie, it's a few words. But never got on a story. When I asked me about Jen and I never want to talk about it. I interviewed about you. Not go on TikTok. Because I never come tell you, I never did text say me I look no man. I never did call her tell me say me I look no man. Because man is not my problem. My biggest issue is to being broke. Man not my problem. Because I know the Judas man in my lie like sure. Look what that man do me. Show no say rat asleep with we in everybody house. Cause like my house alone rat now in a phone no, cause I live nowhere. Rat now in a phone house cause I live nowhere. And my house alone rat in a cause me live somewhere. Me look out for the unexpected from mankind. Me not put my heart in a people like that. Me tell you what I want to tell you. I saw me stay. Me not put my heart in a people like that. Cause me look out for the unexpected from mankind at all times. So if me a fuck a boy, him don't even get 50 out of me. At any given time, I want to run him, I'm going to tell him, go ring out your mother and don't call back my phone. I found a little bit mistake, so I'm going to put 100 in a people, because people are wicked. We don't even like people, because people don't even like me. So when you fix up argument, you fix up a statement. And when you go up on big interview, you call it with respect and dignity. Fix the crown for my head, not tilt it. I don't like when it tilt Zuma. Tell the people them say, him look Rosalie, so she fall female, so nothing wrong with that. Everybody did say that, but don't come talk about she fall female and I want her like me. They tell us me I look somebody, and me look him, and me start buying present, and me tell him about date, and me want to carry him out. Fix your statement good, pussy. When I go up an interview, go talk about me, fix your statement good. Me never tell man say I want to man. Me never buy my man flowers. Me never buy man flowers. Me never tell man I want to take out man. Me never plan date trip with no man. All the way Akeem buy me, I can buy it for myself. All the way him carry me, I can go to Jamaica right there. So what are you saying? Kawa, when I like say me no one girl error, I can't flirt. Not a person that I can't flirt and do girly things. I not always be in a one defense mood. Suppose I want to change my mood and be in a one girl error. Suppose I want to change my mood and be in a one girl error. Suppose I want to change my mood and be in a one delulu mood. What is wrong with that? Don't get too twisted and don't pass your place, pussy. I'm not somebody you pick and I pick and I pick and I pick. Like on better than people on a name over here. Because if that man did that pretend like him serious with me and me that show him, you big pussy woman would have come out and say, blood clot. Then that the man that show interest in a Rosalie and she don't want him. A big pussy jerk show her and she love the beating. It'll be the other way around. So on still would attack. Would that be the other way around? On still would attack. Me a 32-year-old boy and turn me in a gun. If I want you to. And if I don't, I just don't. He said, well, the other way around, when me not take no talk from him, would I say, oh, I like when man beat me, I like when man deal with me, look how Jakes deal with her and angle and have her cry and this and she crash out. And that's what I like when man deal with her, and a man come and I treat her nice, I want to carry her out, and she not like good treatment, and she not like good man, or would that one I say no. But the other way around, me want him. So man, you know when I fuck man on social media? Because I mix work with, I mix business with pleasure. So I'm gonna fuck co-worker. I mix business with pleasure. No time. Because the two way I make the same money, so none of no more than none. And I want him have a blood clot till Zoom, and me always have name. So anybody who come after me, and me them a reflect pan. And you can't do without me. Never. If you even think or somebody that tell us you can't do without me, you can't do without me. I fix my crown by my head long time. No boy no give me no hype, no clout, no highlight. Me there a long time with my name. Long time. So when me come on a daytime, me enter the ranking every day. I'm a thank God for it. Come here, a few local people always in the park, in my corner, we go like me for me. Hold on our cloud tracer. Look on do all able. I saw on the stay on the enter the cloud shift on the shift with it. Call up my blood clot name, but man, I want to look at me. Like me, I look blood clot, man. Almost 3 to a month now, me no fuck, I'm good. I mean, I try go longer. Because man is not my main imperative. You understand? I socialize with people. Him coming on my space. I socialize with people. Him coming on my space. After you're in my space, I'm a can, I'm have as a friend, I always have your back. When the whole on over your class, able me alone, run out no blood clot for able. I say, I fuck close about with our blood clot money. Count no like truth. Me alone. And me can fight alone. Me have a warrior system in me. Me a Gemini. Me can war with my shield. Don't get it twisted. Cause no like Akeem. A clout to not look. A friend me look for Unu. For Unu can feel can't style me. Cause I come here with name. Oh. And me always have a team. And that bless me. God bless me with. So Unu can never fears me. Oh. You can't face me. I know we don't know what the fuck you feel like, say. I not got the man blood clot part. I come talk because I know at the end of the day, you know come talk about it to my first, you know. I keep it moving. I'm just here. But when I go pinch my skin and talk about man, no one for man, no one. My fuck boy, me no want them neither. Sometimes I just want some fuck and just fuck a boy. My feelings never get the best of me yet. That me I make you know. Me they done with Jakes and me use Akeem get rid of him. And that me glad for. So me have to thank him a long life journey. Thank you. Cause you make me finally get rid of one man who want to get rid of for years. I want to get rid of the man and can't get rid of him. And you make me get rid of him in a one go. So God bless you, little boy. Yeah. And then TikTok finally get him out of my house. So God bless TikTok too. I so me know me never them just put on the person like me and I think I'm so deeply in love. I'm so dangerous in love with you. Come and say that man there long enough for them treat me so bad and them nah move and them nah leave. And them a fuck for me. And I have my money said girl when I'm carrying on my bed. You understand? I've girl on my bed. I grind. And the girl when I'm carrying on my bed a long time I grind the girl and people tell me. People been a blood clot tell me. And I say I lie. You must say a lie. And as I'm gone for 3 days up on Airbnb with a diamond, you finally carrying on my bed. So like you not fuck all along. I know so you not fuck people tell me I believe people over you come know you're lying. Me not argue with liar, you know, that's why I'm not too argue with Jakes. Sky Diamond them and liar them. I'm not argue with liar. I can't I don't have time. So you know say lie, you tell people as soon I know you lie. I say that boy a lie, you see. Him lie. People been as soon who I say, alright then. Bam, I start up on TikTok. I'm start up on TikTok with the boy. I say it hurt your feelings. I'm say, oh, I get Jakes where I want him. And Jakes just fall for the trap. Cute. But just use him, get rid of you. Get rid of your blood clot from around me. Like, yo, what you want blood clot say? He may say straight. I'ma prove it to you over and over. Say he may say straight. Over and over and over. Yeah. If the test it come from a fucking on the middle of the road to get rid of you, him me I use get rid of you straight. See there? So you're not gonna bomb 2 man left me and I laugh. Me no storyteller, I sell myself story, me create impact. A storyteller I lied. I sell myself story. If it not publish sell on the market, me not sell it. That if I know Zoomer. I create a story and an image and saying, this me I use get rid of your seat there. You see man there here? You hear nobody come knock the door, nobody come in and chatting with me. Free out of capacity. Say me now go to jail again. Roll it to Swiss tomorrow chat. I mean alright, I'm good, I'm cool, you know. I take some time for myself. Single life I treat me well, I take some time for myself, you know. Me I band more with my friend them. Me I try to start go out more, you know, me I take life easy. The things that mama always want, me I take my little time and consider them and buy them. Liquor. Places that I want go, me I take my little time and save my little money and take my 1 and 2 trip. Me I ball up a big gym see me and me youth them. Me finally can take the time out and do it now. Cause I'm not caught up in this, I'm not caught up in that. Cause I get rid of one big burden when me have for 12 consecutive years. And I care one want to go up in a box come say, I am free at last. And me not go back in that predicament there. Me not put back myself in that. Me not put back myself in that. No time. So this morning, no, me in my bed. My bed this morning. Sky them over there tell me so me call police pan that man. You may call police pan that. What wrong with you know? I don't want to see this is like what wrong with you know? It's him look at me torment. I may have the demons arrive me about people. What wrong with you know? This man, when somebody text me, I tell me say Skylam and I said, him brother start running. The police don't hold up on Jake this morning. Come me that year. I was home in my bed. And I asked my mother before she leave, got a doctor. A police went up and she said no. I asked my sister before she left her yard. She said no, the police don't go with him. Would I see me in a Jeep back? That's why I'm wicked brother come out and talk about Anna Rosalie called the police. I read the place and want to lie. Lie. You know the lie say, you know? That's what I argue with you, know, because you lie bad. And you know when Drake's brother blood clot lie and wicked and even if I run him with the one when him Drake's virgin. Him a one ex cloud tracer too, you know. The ugly rasta one the way you see. You know him do more there, yeah? After him mama. Friend stab my mother in her eye and me a vent. Him dey on him live and the people hear me in the background. Him walk come up to me. And when him walk come up to me, him a talk to me. Him a talk to me, you know. Yo, cool off and cool down and blay. Come here observe him, you know, because I kill him then him can't fool me. Him dey on live and a talk to me. It's when me ready to explain myself, him mute the live. I'ma see it. Come so when take him look at phone and then press the green something and then put it back down. I'm say watch I eat that look a full blood clot boy, yeah. Like him in no home ramp with. I'm say yo, I'm in a talking mode in a circle me. So when I see the screener card, everything come in play. Around him, I say, don't come around because you're hypocrite, you're fake. And Jake's not like you. Long time Jake's not like that, woman not like you. Because them not even like themselves. So me I wait for no nyam no one another this blood clot. And will have to do. Don't call my name at all like me, but me I call police pan Jakes. Me not have no reason to call police pan Jakes because I don't even see him. Don't call my name. You say the shaky war on him Chevy. Me not even get no clout, you know. Don't call my name and tell a lie upon me. Because spare lie you tell too. I assume you know say spare lie you a tell, me don't even follow up. Because when you start tell a lie, them me not follow up. Because the spare lie you not tell. Me just don't want, when them a tell lie, me don't want dead when them a tell a lie. Me never look pound when you attack. Because you got about, oh, and she want to spoil the man record. Jake's record spoil a long time. Me not go down at this story there. So, come here, she. Come here, my baby. You don't like me and I don't. You know, you don't like me and I don't really like you. But we're not talking about that. We could put our difference aside and talk logics. Sure, me wouldn't laugh over Jake if don't take him over here, you know. Wouldn't laugh. Because I know it will have to come. Because the internet will be Billy and it will break you. Me not laugh. Me warned Jakes. Me warned Jakes about Chevy long time ago. I've warned him. Because Chevy not yet me baby father, you know. Because I pity them father. And think when reach him, I go reflect back on them. Not curious him go on. Sometimes I want upset. I can't hate my baby father, you know, no time. Because my kids them father. And I just not want him around me. For when the internet started to tear him apart, him can come back around me and have one shoulder for cry upon. Because I know you will. I can't hate him, boo. He mixed with Chevy. I tell him, Mr. Chevy is a thief. Them now work now in a foreign. I dream Chevy sell her, she can't come here. She not working. A government welfare she live off her. She not work, she sell her a dream. Stop, make you cash out your money, she got thief it and try to get rid of you. You know what Chevy do me, Shay? Shay, come here, put two differences aside. You know what Chevy do me? She come here and meet her. Me I go up a ugly part this up a one plaza. I don't know what the plaza name. Up a ugly part this man we pass the car come place and go up a one plaza. I know what she blood clot to me. Me meet her, she meet one man. When me I tell me so Chevy roll up and fall up. She roll up the fat them in her. It's how when I say it's a bulgy appear dead flesh. Me meet her in a real life. Roll up and fall up. And her breast them just long and saggy. Me meet her in a real life. I know what she do me. She do one wickedest thing in her life. But make me no look pan she come know she wicked. We meet up at the place and she meet the boy. She and the boy did attack. I don't know if I fuck the boy look for her, but she said she ready. When she ready, the boy drop the boy they did it. I think the boy call him friend and him a carry home. So two women in a one car with two women. You know what Chevy do? Make the people them drop her a fear yard first. Remember, I don't know the people them from nowhere. And then me and you go, oh, if you make the people them drop it at your yard first and drop me at my yard last. I don't know the people them. You two make me know them. You come for me at my yard. You supposed to drop me at my yard first and then you got your yard last. Chevy got one whole yard. Someone said this a piece of this a England girl. This a piece of this a England the old yard. Dark. We said this a piece of this a England girl a catch. And I'm gonna like them a things. But they got one hotel she go England she come from. One old abandoned building. Them long time place. Must up in a vineyard town. You know them all yard in a vineyard town. I say blood clot in my mind. And the man them drive and drive and drive. I said them I can't woman I drive and drive and drive. So me that drink one sorrel beer, because I start fret, you know. Because I say blood clot. Then this a wicked girl, I don't know the man from Adams. And then, which a fear yard first, and then make me have them two man I care. I mean, I like that move, yeah. Because I don't know them. You're supposed to make sure me reach my yard first, and then you reach your yard last. Me drink one sorrel beer, I empty out the sorrel beer. I grown. Empty it out. When I reach at the yard, I pull the car door, I empty out the sorrel behind my hand. I say, if anything, I can lick the driver and I'm head, start getting pale licking I'm head with the back clear, you know. I'm not like that move, yeah. And I'm in the car, I go, me I pray, Father God, do me reach home. For it warm my mind, from up a vineyard town, go straight back and see you. I saw me reach my yard, and she text me, ask me, I reach home, I tell her, yes. You look back on Chevy. And that is a cold-hearted thing you do to a person you don't know from nowhere. Because you go pick up the girl from her yard, car out, and then make them carry your yard and carry she last. I mean, I know the people, them, and mankind so evil. Some know Chevy cold. I meet her already. I mean, I tell you, look, I tell the man about her. I tell the man about her. And him a flip like I want him. So I leave him she. I warn him about Chevy. I warn him about Chevy. So if anything what she do him forget it and him for take it. She for no mind advice no, but she send out but she send out with him police catch it and go ask him where the JUN there. Had the GUN or the ON there. Me wouldn't mind. I'm not gonna laugh, you know. I call my name. I'm not laugh on karma. I warn you. So you have to learn. And my granny me go with and them say, I okay a year, feel. And my granny me grow with. I okay a year will feel. I'm a warning about Chevy because I know I like my hand back. Try to come here and thief all carrying a one bag of tambourine. You can't make people hungry than you angry your money. You can't make people hungry than you are angry your money. She hungry than you. We feel like I don't want the best for him. I want the best for him. I don't mean my day. Everybody have them fuck up ways. Everybody in the world have them fucked up ways. But I want the best for him. Come baby father. But I just don't want him around me. I'm see when him click him live, I know you're gonna corrupt him. So you know what I'm do? I try to get rid of him from all out of my house completely from around me. So when them start to bring you down a yard drop, you don't come on my shoulder. You search the one them where they round you. I know them not gonna stay. Cause them are gonna help bring you down too. And when you are dropping a life, you don't chop back on my foot. You drop way up there so I'm just walk. We run us, I don't even see you. And that me I run for me. Not laugh off him, she. Me I run for him when I drop. Cause I know him have to drop. Cause social media, this is a devil's playground. It come with bring down. All the fame and the hype and this come with bring down. I wanna terrorize you from wanna text it by you come here so with it. So then when they are so pick by you till you automatically explode. Cause what more can you take? So I know it come here with it. No you come here like angel. And I'm sure you say you go nah pay them no mind. You have a time when you get fed up and you start chat off your mouth. Me no want when him a drop, but me no want when him a drop him drop on me. So me no want him around me. Me want him about Chevy Shay. Me want him about her. Me want him. About her. Me want him about the teeth in low life. Nana belly bottom. Nana choke back. Nana bedded waist flabby girl. Me want him. Me say if you look help, if you say you look help for you, them look somebody who can help you. No look at cloud trace a girl who go record you, voice note you, post you up, anything. Your conversation you and her have, she go post it on the net. When you and her get bitter, we want him about that to me tell him the day when him the one throw stone upon me. When she him up on the phone, I'm tell her say, when she join him up, him say when him and I up on the phone, come never so them on the phone, you know. Me only hear when him said to the person send 150. Me never know say him and I on the phone. Me only hear when him say to the person say send 150. Somebody say I sure cash out the money. I say you can't make them the hungry girl the hungry that you cash out the money. You hear that? Me no want when him drop him drop on me. Cause me no want him around me. Cause me never know say me didn't know say you're evil, you know. But me never know say it's actually you're evil us. For the shot do for the rat shit in my draw. Shades when them start pan jakes over here. And I change a curtain here. So when them start pan jakes, I gotta change it. Shades when them start pan jakes, I gotta change a curtain here, change a one day, change a one day. You see them start pan jakes, you see the rat shit when they draw. I go look if more in there and take my time and draw the draw them. I listen to the live, I listen to the people, I listen to the bring down and clear up the rat shit them out of the draw. Shades when them start pan jakes, I go into the kitchen and cook some soup, some insipple. Shades when them start pan jakes, I take one broom and one map and sweep from cribbits to Caan and bend down and look and I listen. I have nothing to say. I know them soon start. I know Chevy I go bring him down. I know she lie like me. Shut up. Share the warmer. Shut up. This with them. So we soon know who bad mind for who not bad mind. Or we soon know who a chase cloud for who not chase cloud. I will soon know who I gotta be defend that earth. I'm different than the moment. I will soon know. All me I do on a way till the table turn. And when the table turn, I want to say this publicly. 11.5 kids. When the table turn, I don't want to call me bumper, pussy, blood clot name. I say Rosalie was right. Do not call my name. I'm in a care. Because why? Some of you live for the moment. Live for the moment. Me space out my life. Me live for the future and beyond. So I think ahead of time. That's why I always fix the crown upon my head. Because I think ahead of time. Nobody no trick me no nothing. Me always think the head of time. Me always think, search and I look and investigate. I know this is coming. Me no want to mix up my name. No call my name come in the business. Yeah, me no business, me no care. Don't call my name, don't mix me up. This man, but police want upon him to put lie. That's why I run him, brother. Run him if I'm run me. You know it burn me? You know it burn me? You come around me say, hello, don't come back around me, you know. Come in, you're hypocrite, I'm not like fake people. Don't come around me, come in for this, yo. I'm not gonna have to kick me up. Don't come around me. Stay far, don't come on my gate. Because when I run up on social media, I've been there and up. I've been there and up, because I know the walls are this, the rip and the tear. I know the diamond sweet and the ranking sweet and the praise is sweet, you know, but you have time when them the praise is there. The more ton so. So the more ton. Crossway. So who used to say good? Who used to say good now? At them slaughter you the most. The one who used to say good slaughter you the most by ya when the table turn. Me no want to drop on me. So me I left on to social media. I fix my account on my head and I left it to social media. We'll go back to business. Turn on the comments so we can show it 2 people now. Share the warmer. Share the warmer. I have to turn on comment. Yes, mods. Mods, a warmer. Mods. Watch out. I was about 50 mods turn on the comment, you know. Poor top shot. Me say no, guys, I look too live goal. And Margarita put Vanny name in the filter now. We don't talk about Vanny. Vanny a cloud tracer. We don't want to talk about she. She look at cloud. Me not listen to she. Vanny turn cloud tracer. Because she know me your answer and she look one tit for tat and butter for fish. That Vanny can't get everyone look a piece of my cloud. Not even piece side. You can't talk all you want to talk, say. You can do your face. You're creative and making makeup. Go do some content. Remember, I live in a rat shit. I don't live in a good house. You're not supposed to argue with me. I'm not supposed to argue with you because I live in a rat shit. I don't live in a mansion. One got create memories, miss. Nobody come by me. Oh. Coming up. Filter run down shit for step. You don't live in a good house, I'm live in a rat shit. Remember when you can't see when I do with my TikTok money, so I don't know what me argue with no fuck. So Sky Diamond, she lie to you. She lied to you. That's why you know why so I argue with her. I argue with the two of them. I argue with her, no, she lie like sure. I got to talk about people for blood clot, take out cease and desist for me. When you go cease and desist, look what you take set for me as day later there for me. You see you want cease and desist, dollar bill. Look at Miss Dollar Bill. Go. You see you want cease and desist. Every morning you wake up on me and I get dollar. You know when I chat people for free? Chat, we look 2 live goal. I'm not saying nothing natural yourself. So natural you say now work out. Go. What is that one I do? Well, I was to check on that one here.
Hello, darling.
What?
Thank you, Karen Smith. Thank you. I follow you. Thank you, Karen. How are you, baby? Why you watching me so? Hey, babes. Okay, how am I follow Karen? How are you? You're not gonna get ready. Karen.
Go away.
Party. I go make a party. Oh, shit. Mecca.
Oh, you got Mecca too?
I'm getting ready, darling.
Okay, later.
Huh?
Later.
You know.
But dear. I look 2 live goal. So you can get 2 live goal. My dear. So you got one girl type laugh to shame. My dear. Anybody wanna want me no want them neither? And a boy can't trick me. And a boy can't sell me no drink and me not buy it. So no boy feel like him can come have me either way it now go work. Come out and chat, man, I throw with 2 people now. Since night Pops YG text me, you're not gonna make her. I say no. Come on, Rosalie, man. Stop follow the people, man, and come. I say, I'm not gonna wait. I never tell that already. Stop asking me that you're annoying me. If you are gonna tell your business, I'm not gonna wait. Because I want to go somewhere. Try go 500 diamond, and that me I worry about. We are look what 42K. We can't get 2 Galaxy. You know, my vex, so more 42K and can't get it. But that my vex about. More 42K and can't get it. Me no want to go away. That Swiss Sleep party me they done book from when? Man a free like I make a drink. Me not gonna away. Me buy me ear and everything for tomorrow, party tomorrow. Me not go. So would I go for see me not go today? A Swiss Sleep party me I go. I just saw my crowd there. A month ago a Swiss Sleep party me not go. Poor tap. You think me no enough up, you know? Me no enough up because I'm very feisty. Me don't want nobody come get bright like me and run up in the people. Me no for hold my corner. I mean, I love likes, power taps. But after when them come at the fuck with black them.
Rose, I go play one match with Rose, baby. Here. Alright. Come, Rose.
Because we can't get two private jet. No, I'm not depend that. That means I'm not depend that. I'm not depend that. No, I hear about that. I no hear man depend that. I no come about that. A two game I come to play. When I play and I bag a lip about people. I no depend that. I bag a chatting. I no depend that. You know, if a man she gonna should not come back yet, but you good. Something I looking at the night. I no depend nobody chatting. I don't know tomorrow. I got me I got a party tomorrow. I don't know tomorrow I go. If you not follow. No, I'm not upon a waste argument and no waste chattings about people. Me don't want to talk about she. When me don't want to, me don't want involved. Cause pure lie them tell them anybody will tell pure lie, me no want to associate myself with them. Anybody will come on me that just tell pure lie, me no want associate myself with them. Me no tell lie, me rather tell a story. I just the plain truth, but me no walk and tell lie. I can't bother wait until me see them walk and tell lie, it burn me for them. And much of them come over come tell lie, Pam, me just slow them, and them go and chat. One only for them. I know a lie them I tell. It's true me know say, when me talk, me not go get no right, me just not say nothing. One whole per time me do it. When me afraid of it, me not, why am I afraid? Afraid of what? Me look like somebody that me not have hide nothing to the world, you know. Me not have nothing to hide to the world. Nothing at all. I mean, I have no secret. So if I want to say, I don't live nowhere, my bathroom dirty, my house dirty, I have no problem. I still I live. So I got them, but I'm afraid of people. I don't care, I just don't want to talk about you. You're not important to me, you're not relevant. That's something me I look. Me I look two more. Thank you for the galaxy, me girl. Me I look one next skeleton, me I look 40, can't get it, and that's a policy me right now. I take one universe. I not even want to play in a match. Let's take one nice big universe. Right now. Now tomorrow I do my ear and my fingernail. Tomorrow I go do my ear and my fingernail for the Swiss party. Not so long I had lied people. Not so long now. If I know to say a lie, I not argue with you. Because I go straight the topic and talk one bag of foolishness. And it will just get me pissed off and then I go start shout load. Like, I don't start shout, them say I crash out. That way I try to explain. So you know what? Me not even want in and talking. Me not talking. Yeah, me not look what a 40K me I look. So we can't get two money gone. Chat we not focus, you know. If you make the man about we not stay blood clot, we not focus. We not argue with lied people. 90% of them pan internet lie. 90% of them pan them have lied and have no credibility. And when you hear them sit down and argue, I just trap them and trap you. Because good God have grace. Thank you, my baby. He rob himself. You know what I can tell lie? A pure lie them tell. 95% of them pay a pure lie them tell me. I don't know what argument with them. Come in a walk and tell lie. It's pure lie them tell and who you know want that. That power tap. Me always tell loyal to loyal. I mean, I stay far from the people them. But I know lie and wicked and evil. I mean, no. I know I stay far from the people them will lie and wicked and evil. Matter when them put in the chat, if you're not gonna make a block them. Come in here, no argument, say me are going away. Block them. One and now, you know. Who say me not going away? Who say me yeah, me say me not going to still ask. You're going to Mecca, you're going to Mecca. See me I go somewhere? Look at me, I go somewhere? You are show too much emotion, be selling me. Girl, relax. Let's just play that time and I see her again. Oh. Chat. We can't get the 2 live goal them. Moderator, when them type, if you're not going to make it tonight, mute them for me now, please. Because like someone I look for run with. Mute them or block them or something. Okay. Come on, if you're not auntie or no auntie that no love chat, or someone who just come for chat. Me I look 2 live goal. Sure. It a stinking old blood clot organ. Me sorry for me sister Osh. God youth. Me don't want for class, you know. Me don't want for class, you know. I will. Alright, matter time mute them coming on the blacklist full up shit. Or mute them. I don't want the blacklist full up, my love. No for true. Tomorrow's gonna be family phenomenal. Last time I enjoy myself, you know. Me not talk about my way, so we have cover. No. No maker. Nah, sub nothing. He said, come dance. He said, your mother, big hole. pumpkin skirt fit me. Come in my broad. No maker, no maker, no maker. No maker, no maker, no maker. No maker, no maker, no maker. Bad. I want to tell them something not got a blood clot with them still a type like me care. When you ask me if me when I write making them a chat fella and I'm a birthday. If the man when I'm birthday and I keep party, I make him sure that they am party at 12 o'clock. So when I work me I go or not. Never feel a party, I keep partying as soon 12 o'clock you reach there yet. When I work me I go or not. Eh? If I feel a party and soon 12 o'clock, do you even want your party? I work me there, you know? All road lead to Swiss Lee. All road. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, you call. Where me am over? You earth. Earth for what? My earth for. What more my earth for? What I be hurting? Are you shame? I shame you. What my earth for? What I be hurt for? I tell you know. When that man ball out series done, Miss Ivana jump up. Hey, hey, Miss Ivana jump up. Hey, yes, man. When that man coming up, you know what? My daughter that stress out on the brain for them. Let them go and type. When that man jump out, series done. Them, hey, hey, yes, man. Hey, boy, I got so much I got to do now. I want to see me I do. Come every day, come slung in front of my camera and rank. I want to sit down and tell lies and me I crash out. Me sit down every day and rank. You see me miss out something? When him ball out a series on, you see me miss out something? It's so stupid and dance. You see me miss out something? Me no miss out nothing. But come every day, come sit down in front in my camera and rank. She share the day and the good girl and the ever rascal out there. But come sit down in front of my camera and rank every day. See me look like somebody don't miss out something? I don't miss out nothing. Every day. I know fan him left gone and I use me. Me still on top. That means say you not left me a ground. I was always on top. That's why I gotta always be the topic. Every day I come still on a rank. Every single day I come look too much. I want me done my chat. Me look like somebody drop off or something. So when I about that, series done and the whole of him and the whole of man. I'm not ball over man. Oh. Me still a win. To all imps, me still a win. All imps must say me still a win same way. Him no need me and me no need him. Me no put the big capital B in a boring. Yeah, alright. Can come cut two, come and nice up together, man. Chop two, shake my body video. And me know for work.